this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the startup movie or image on your Steam Deck whenever you start it up. And this is easy to do. Let's go on down to where it says Steam and select this. Then go to Settings. And we want to go down to where it says Customization. So we have to scroll down a little bit. Here's Customizations right here and select it. Then it says Startup Movie. Personalize your Steam experience by selecting a custom movie to play when Steam Deck starts up. This setting is per device, not per user, okay? So we have Shuffle Start Movie. We can select that as an option. Then use as Wake Movie as well, so we can do that. So I can turn that on. And then here are my movies that I can select from. So by default, I have this little like Half Moon or whatever. And then I have this one right here from buying the Steam Deck, I believe. And just make sure you download it, otherwise it's not going to be on your Steam Deck. You just have to tap it. And then we can go to Find More Start Movies, visit the point shop. And you can see my balance for my points is 100,013. Yeah, so let's go with that. And then scroll on down there into this page. For some reason, it's not allowing me to scroll. But you can see all the different icons right here. So if I want this Elden Ring one, this would be kind of cool. It says it's 3,000 points. I can just select it. And I can't remember how you get these points, but you can just see if you have enough. And I just bought this Elden Ring one. So let's do this one. And I should be able to just download it. Alright, so if you click here, let's go to the Elden Ring one. And then, let's see, I can shuffle it too, so I can see a different one each time. So the Elden Ring run will be pretty cool. But just go to the point shop and see what you can go ahead and get. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.